Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlord, umlungu ungibambe ngama throats. Literally, my employment has me earning my salary for real. But I am back with a quick update or the teaser for my brother's keeper, April 2025. Now, just a clear reminder, my brother's keeper has come to an end and it will be replaced by another telenovela. So it's going to only play until the 17th of April 2025. So the last episodes go like this. Tuesday, the 1st of April, 2025. One man's trash, another man's treasure. Nomsa's plan is halted in its tracks. Fagazile and Nqubeko's family is whole again. Sibusiso learns about Toba and Didi and blames his mother for keeping the news from him. Wednesday, the 2nd of April, 2025. Dololo morals, Dololo dignity. Sibusiso takes a bold step that asserts that Toba and Didi's relationship should end. The vow renewal ceremony is now tainted with a bitter taste after Mshengu blocks it. Ndumiso has some damage control to do with Sidi. Thursday, the 8th of April, 2025. Nyamthanda, Angzenzi. A pissed Mshengu makes it clear that there will be no vow renewal celebration if Mamkunu is not there. Meanwhile, Nqubeko feels for Nomsa and the consequences that she has to face. Didi finds herself at the center of a love triangle with Sbu and Toba that's growing nastier, bloodier, and more furiously by the day. How? Okay, sorry for editing. Friday, the 4th of April, 2025. Through thick and thin, Katazile is worried that something bad will happen at the renewal if they don't postpone, while Mshengu tries to forbid everyone from attending. The Shabalala brothers find joy for the first time in a long time. Monday, the 7th of April, 2025. Every man for himself. Mshengu cut ties with all his sons and bans them from his house and business. Katazile is an emotional wreck. Toba advises Didi against keeping Sbu away from the baby. Tuesday, the 9th of April, 2025. A coup titot. Mshengu is cleaning the house and reminds everyone who runs the show. The brothers and Fagazile band together and declare war on Mshengu. Sibusiso refuses to accommodate Toba in his and Didi's co-parenting arrangements. Wednesday, the 9th of April, 2025. Over my dead body. Mshengu is told he's unfit to run Shaba Snacks. Toba and Didi have a big fight. Thursday, the 10th of April, 2025. Things we do for love. As Mshengu's world crumbles, shattered by betrayal and heartbreak, how far will his downfall take him? Torn between loyalty and love, Toba must choose family or his heart. Friday, the 11th of April, 2025. Hallucinations of an old man. Mshengu's hallucinations get the better of him. Now he sees what nobody sees. Nqubeko and Nomsa close a painful chapter. Sibusiso and Toba's reconciliation hits a pothole. Monday, the 14th of April, 2025. A network of pain. The Shabalala brothers have a serious, long overdue heart-to-heart about their lives. Fagazile starts having second thoughts about getting back with Nqubeko. Didi tries extending an olive branch to Sbu and he rejected. Tuesday, the 14th of April 2025. Terms and conditions, aka T's and C's. Donga makes a difficult decision and Ngubeko is shocked. I wonder what that decision is. Yo, Bazalwan. Fagazile prays for her marriage. Fagazile. Okay, sorry for adding. Toba and Sbu decide to follow in their father's footsteps. Wednesday, the 15th of April 2025. Mamkize, not Mamkhuno. The brothers band together to kick Fagazile out. Where mama? Fagazile plans a birthday dinner for Ngubeko but is hugely disappointed. Mshengu mistakes a stranger for Mamkhuno. Oh, Marabatun, guys. Mshengu must just let go, guys. Okay, sorry for eating again. Thursday, the 16th of April 2025. Konke kuyashabalala kwashabalala. I said it so well, ne? Konke kuyashabalala kwashabalala. Mshengu arrives at the Mkhunu household looking for Mamkhuno. Fagazile concocts a plan to deal with the Shabalalas one by one. Tidi includes Toba in Ndumiso and her future together. Oh, nice. Friday, the 19th of April 2025. The end of an era, meaning the last episode of My Brother's Keeper. The end of an era. A confused, utterly paranoid Mshengu doesn't understand why no one wants him to see his wife. Yeah. Fagazile closes the Shabalala chapter in an epic manner. Toba and Sbusiso find themselves praying for their grandfather. Oh, nice. I think this is what will get them back together, but we will never know. It further says, new telenovela, Genesis, replaces My Brother's Keeper once it ends, starting on Monday, the 21st of April at 19:30. Now, the premiere episodes of My Brother's Keeper air on Mzansi Magic from Monday to Friday at 19:30 p.m. Guys, we will truly miss My Brother's Keeper. I think it has been consistent. It has been showing us flames. We've been loving it. We've been hating it. But most of all, we keep being glued on our screens. Let me know what you think about this episode, or this teaser rather. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.